I know for sure that you feel lonely because you're a f***ing nerd and you don't do anything besides coding. And the last time that you touched a woman was... you just haven't, okay? But don't worry, because I am your bro. And I'm going to teach you how to make any girl to F with you with binary search. And by F, I mean, you know, to Fibonacci search for your dick. So imagine there's this bar nearby with a lot of nice, elegant, and goddamn hot girls. So you decide to go with all your friends. And, okay, what about joke? You decide to go with one of your friends. Okay, you go there alone and you want to find the hottest girl in the bar. So what do? What any other person would do. You stand on a table and you yell, "Everyone, make a fucking line!" And now that you have them all lined up, the next step is to sort. Oh my god, you don't know how to sort? Take your noob ass and go watch my bubble butt sort video and learn something, you little piece of shit. Alright, now that you have them all sorted, it is time to start searching for the love of your life. In this case, it's gonna be Pokemon. So now the first thing that you gotta do is select one girl from the line. And you do that by choosing the one that your PP is pointing at. My PP points at the middle. In this case, it's gonna be Tana Mongeau. Now you have to ask her, "Hey, are you Pokemon?" She would say, "No, sadly I'm not." Now you gotta ask two questions. Are you less hot or you're hotter than Pokemon? Obviously, she's less hot. So now we just remove all the less hot girls and put them where they belong, in the trunk, in a castle. Because all women are princesses. And now you gotta redo the process. Point your PP, choose a person, ask her, "Are you Pokemon?" If not, select one side and trash the other. And you're gonna repeat that process until you find the love of your life. Or you don't. And you spend the rest of your life just alone eating Cheetos and watching anime. Like me. Alright, so now that you understand this, let's go code it. Alright, so today I feel humble, so we're gonna use your favorite programming language, Python. Of course not, we're gonna use Java, you little bitch. But before we get started, why don't you go and hit that like button and subscribe? I upload videos every single week so you can see this beautiful face. Also, leave a comment telling me which other algorithm you would like me to explain. Alright, so let's go code. Alright, so let's start by defining our function that I'm gonna call binary search for dot girl, and it takes as parameters just an array of girls and the number of the girl of my life. And the first thing that you gotta do is just sort them. So arrays that sort girls. Now we have to define two pointers. The first one is gonna be called F, that stands for first, and it's gonna be equal to 0. And the other one is L, that stands for last, and it's gonna be equal to girls that length -1. Now we just had a loop while F is less equal than L. Now what you have to do is to point your PP and select a girl. So we gotta call PP pointer is gonna be equal to first plus last divided by 2. Quick math. Now we gotta start asking the questions. So if girls at PP pointer is equal to girl of my life, so we just return PP pointer, that is the position she's currently at. Otherwise we have to ask, else if girls at PP pointer is less than girl of my life, then we have to move the first pointer. First is gonna be equal to PP pointer plus 1. And if not, that means it's greater, and then just last is equal to PP pointer -1. And if you didn't find her, we just return -1 and you can start crying. Alright, so I hope this video was useful for you, or don't, I don't really care. But don't forget to click on the like button, subscribe, turn notifications up, and put your PP up. But yeah, with that said, until then, ciao!